Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement, and I got to show off one of my favorite products that I've ever found and bought. This is a Like Sand electric box cutter, and it's exactly what it says it is. It's an electric box cutter, which makes life a lot easier, faster, and safer than using one of these regular box cutters. Let me bring it closer for you. So you can basically see everything right here in the shot. This is essentially a box cutting blade that rotates when you push in this button and squeeze the trigger, and you run your box through here. Not only does this rotate and cut the boxes for you, but it also protects you. It's very hard to get yourself cut or nicked by this product. On the top here, you can see when I squeeze the trigger, it'll give you the percentage of battery left. It's 32% right now. And there's also 3 different speeds, low, medium, and high. Finally, it charges through USB-C, and a cord does come with this in the box. And talking about the box, that's one thing that impressed me right when I opened this. This thing came in a quality box. They actually took time with the packaging, which tells me they also took time with the product. In here, you do get the USB-C cord. You also get 2 replacement blades, a replacement screw, and you have this velvet carry bag if you want to put it in there. But all that's well and good. How does this thing cut though? Well, what I got here for demonstration purposes is a double layer corrugated box. This is your standard Amazon box, but this is the portion where it's glued back on itself, so this is thicker than usual. Can this thing cut through it? Honestly, it's no problem. All you have to do is squeeze it and it runs right through there. But what you want to know is would I recommend this or would I buy it again? Honestly, yes, I would absolutely buy this again. With the number of boxes that I have broken down over the last 2 years, this thing would have saved me a ton of time, a ton of little nicks and scratches, and probably saved my carpet in a couple spots too. This makes life a heck of a lot easier. And for me, that's all I ever look for in a product. Does it make life easier or better? And this does that. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.